Hello, math friends. Today we're going to talk a little bit about how to add integers.
Woo!
Just a reminder that integers are all positive and negative whole numbers. So we're going positive and negative. Now, when I think about adding integers, I always like to think about money, 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 money. So I might have a problem like this. I might have negative 10 plus 8. And if I'm going to think about this problem, whenever I see negative numbers, I'm going to think about this being money that I owe. And where I see positive numbers, I'm going to think about this being money that I have. So in this situation, I would think about, I owe somebody $10 and I have 8. If I pay off my debts, what kind of situation am I going to be in? I'm going to owe $2. So if you look, really what I'm doing is I'm taking my 10 and my 8, I'm subtracting the 2 and keeping the negative sign since there's more negative number than there is positive. So having and owing money. So I can use the same thing even if I had like two negatives. If I had like -4 plus -6. Now I owe and I owe some more. I'm not in good shape at all. If I owe someone $4 and I owe someone else $6, when I combine all my debt, I owe a total of $10. So I get a negative $10. Sad for me. Likewise, that was not a good sad face. Likewise, if I had two positives, just like we are used to having when we add, if I had like 7 plus 3, well, if you have $7 and you have $3, then you would just add them together. 7 plus 3, 10, all is well, right? So those are the 3 different types of problems that you can have when you add integers. Usually, positive and positive, pretty simple. Negative and negative, answer, you add the 2 numbers, you keep the negative side, pretty simple. It's these when one's negative and one's positive, that first type we started with, that sometimes trick people a little bit. So let's just do one more of those real quick. All right? So let's say this time you have $12, but you spend 15. If I have 12 and I want to buy something that's 15, I'm going to owe $15. So I'm going to subtract the 2 numbers. 15 minus 12 gives me 3. And since there are more negatives, my answer is going to be a -3. I'm going to owe someone $3 after I use my 12 and I spend 15. So let's try one more. What if I had -8 plus positive 10? So this time, maybe you owe someone $8 or you want to purchase something for $8, but you have 10. We're still going to subtract 10 minus 8 and you get the 2, but this time I have money left over, woo! And I end up with a positive 2. Of course, that's where we always want to be when we're dealing with money, 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 money. So I hope you feel like you can add integers, my friends. Have a great day.